knocking on my door.
Bro, make those awesome pictures, bro. I've been waiting so long.
Hold it.
Okay, let me get this straight. You wanna sound like OsamaSon in FL Studio? I'm gonna help you do that shit. I've seen some people commenting about that I should make a OsamaSon video, so I figured why not. I'm just gonna hop right into the video and show y'all this preset because this shit is insane. So here we're in FL Studio, and I'm just gonna show y'all how it sounds directly because I don't want to be like all of these other YouTubers that just yaps the whole fucking video out. So first we're gonna play the original song.
I know what you did last summer. You just fucked up and that's a bummer. Last nigga was a man, yeah, I go dumb.
So that's basically the song. I did a remake on it. I'm gonna show y'all the preset, but before I do that, I'm gonna show y'all how this shit sounds raw, and y'all gonna be scared. Like, okay, listen to this shit. Yeah, you can't even hear the vocals because I record very low, so then after I can hire the vocal with the plugins instead, so I don't have a lot of background noise. That's a pro tip for y'all, by the way. I'm gonna show y'all just by the vocal itself because you can't hear it otherwise. So yeah.
I know what you did last summer. You just fucked up and that's a bummer. Why was the lead now? I go dumber.
Let's turn on the preset. I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds with it. Okay.
I know what you did last summer. You just fucked up and that's a bummer. Why was the lead now? I go dumber. The chick, it going out. At the same time. 2 free kills, just at the same time.
That's basically the best I can do to recreate his preset. It's very much like he cuts out very much of the low end, by the way. So if you want that sound, you should grab this preset for show. I actually like the sound. It's like very unique, and that's why I also like OsamaSon's songs because he uses a very unique style. But we're gonna break the preset down. I'm not gonna show y'all everything because otherwise it wouldn't be worth it for me to sell. By the way, this preset will be available on my website, virtual.shop. But it's not that expensive. It's like $15, so y'all won't be broke afterwards like other people sell their. But I don't wanna tax that much. I just sell this shit for like 15. Because this is a very high quality preset. Like, it contains Waves plugins, FabFilter plugins. Yeah, it got the Silk, this AI plugin. This is crazy shit, y'all. It's just like drag and drop. When you drop it on, it's gonna sound good directly, no matter what. And also, I record in a very untreated room. You can see there's no panels on the wall. Like, there's a ton of echo in here, but still, and it still sounds very good. And at my mom's place, I have a much more treated room, so when I make videos there, y'all can hear how that sounds. It's a very big difference when I'm at my dad's place versus my mom's place. But yeah, enough yapping. The preset contains Autotune, NS1, Xvox Pro, CLA76, Pro Q3, Pro MB, which is a multi-band compressor, and this is an EQ, and CLA2A, it's a compressor, and the Silk vocal, this is the AI plugin, and the de-esser, and just a widener. This is not actually what it says. It's a stock fruity flanger. I don't know how to pronounce that shit. And then we got the ad-lib. Basically, I just cut it out some lows, and I cut some of the high end to get that like muffled ad-lib. You can hear it. The ad-lib sounds actually very fucking good. I love these ad-libs. That's hard.
It going out, fuck, at the same time, too.
Yeah, that's really fire. Like, y'all can hear the difference between when it's on and when it's off. It's fucking amazing. It's crazy difference.
Now I go down, man. It going out, fuck, at the same time, too.
Ah, shit, that's crazy. And when you cop this preset, you will actually get like an extra bus, which is a distortion plugin. Basically, it just adds a little bit character and overall flavor to the vocal. But yeah, that's basically the fucking preset. I guess we can do a little when I go back and forth with the original and my recreation. So let's do that.
I know what you did last summer. You just fucked up and that's a bummer. Why was a man, yeah, I go dumber. The chick, it going up. At the same time. 2 freaky hoes, just at the same time.
Y'all can hear that shit. That's like 1-to-1, bruh. If you fuck with OsamaSon, head to virtual.shop and cop this preset. I'm gonna keep it short, and if you fuck with this video, definitely join my Discord server as well. There's a ton of people that does the same as us. We got over 2K members right now. So if you fuck with these types of videos, definitely join the server and engage with the community. That's it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.